All right, this video shows you how to install and get the workflow working with the RingCentral extension. What you want to do first, very first thing to do is create a function, create a connection. I already have a connection here, but I want to show it how it's done. I don't mean to do that. I'll just type into Control F and then crm.user. That finds me these two I needed. I'm going to authorize. So it's reusing the CRM one because I already had one. I just showed it. So we have our connection. We're going to use CRM one, but that's the same thing as a CRM two. The second thing you want to do is each user has to be authorized to use the RingCentral account for their own user. So they need to log into a RingCentral user account that's associated to their CRM. So in their CRM, on their setup, they need to authorize it. There's a whole video on how to authorize your users. We're going to assume that they're all authorized, but they all need to be authorized to send text messages. Because the workflow will look for the lead owner and will send a text message from their phone number. So if they don't have a RingCentral authentication, it will fail. So the third thing you have to do is each user in their profiles need to have their authorized RingCentral number. This is the same number. So in this format, they need to have it exactly like that under their profile for the phone as they have it in their setup. So again, under the user profile, each of the users that's going to be sending out text messages needs to have their phone number here that matches the phone number that they authorized to use. Final thing is the workflow. We'll create a new workflow for leads. We'll probably want to do the lead create. And we'll probably want to tell the system, as long as the mobile number is not empty. And we'll create a function. We'll say new function. We'll write our own. I'm just going to name it test2. This is the function from our support documents, which are here. So it's the same code right here. The connection name is where you're going to put CRM1 right there. So that's your connection that you created. You named it CRM1. You're going to put it in there. So you're going to modify that part of the code. The other piece that you're going to modify is this. I'm going to update this for a little bit cleaner after this video. Basically, you could write a text message like this. Hi, first name. We got the first name out of the lead. Hi, first name. This is so-and-so. Welcome to our company. The last thing we have to do is edit the arguments. Type in here client ID. Leads ID. I had to push the number sign and that gave me the drop down. Now I could test this. Oh, I need to so I got this test record. I want to use the ID from the test record. I'm going to put it in here. And then I will go ahead and remove the comment. Save and execute. And a test message has gone out. I'm going to comment it out, so we're not using it anymore, and we're going to save it. And now every time, I could also say here, I want the first name to be not empty. But that means that only gonna go out people with first names. So I could probably just remove that. So this is my workflow that's gonna work every time somebody signs up as a new lead. It's gonna text them. Any questions, let us know.